Hello everyone, welcome to Be Educare Law YouTube channel. So currently we have Tania Vira with us, who has passed out with flying colors with 98.18 percentile in MHCET Law. First of all, Tania, congratulations to you. How are you feeling about your score?
Thank you so much, sir. I'm proud of myself and I'm very excited about the score I've got. And yeah, it's me. I was surprised and shocked looking at my score.
Okay, so what was your immediate reaction when you looked at your score, 98.18%?
Immediate reaction was I was just shocked because I wasn't expecting such marks because the preparation time and effort I've put in was just about for a month, and I joined the
Oh,
classes
wow.
also mid-Feb. So that was just a crash course which I went through, and so was
So that's a
shocking
great
for
feat.
me to
Yeah.
receive this.
So
Yeah.
so that's great feat. Okay, so how was reaction from your parents, from your family?
They were super proud. They were also very, shocked about my score. No one was expecting I would receive such a great score in the exam. So,
Oh,
yeah.
that's quite like within 30 days, bringing that score is really a remarkable feat. Okay, so before
Yeah.
we move on, just can you brief about your background? What was your background before CET and how do you approach B Educare? What was the process?
Yeah. So I've completed my graduation in commerce. So I wasn't too sure about doing law because this being a very complex subject and the volume of reading and the complexity of concepts you have to go through. So I wasn't too sure, but once I was sure, I joined the B Educare classes in Ghatkopar, and they helped me with the entire MHCT preparation. And yeah, I got my that's how I began
ओके
during
तानिया टेल मी
mid-Feb.
आपके सिलेबस में कौन सा ऐसा एक वीक सब्जेक्ट था जो जिससे आप डरते थे एंड बट फैकल्टी ने आपको उठा के एकदम स्ट्रांग बना दिया उस सब्जेक्ट के लिए ऐसा कोई सब्जेक्ट था?
Uh, I was too scared of LR mostly, and I was scared of GK as well. But Kundan sir helped me
Sure.
well with those concepts. He went really, so he helped with every concept, every subject. Each class he used to take up only one, so we don't have a lot of confusion between all of the topic-wise sectional subjects. And yeah, I concentrated on static GK more because I had very little time. So I went through the B Educare's notes and everything material provided to me.
श्योर सो जैसे आपने बताया कि यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर ओनली 1 मंथ करेक्ट सो इन 1 मंथ were you able to give any mocks for the exams?
Yeah, so I mostly concentrated on giving mocks itself because I felt mocks are a game changer. So you get a total understanding how the exam paper would be, time management, and so what type of questions would you receive, and understanding your mistakes. So those were a little game changer for me. And also, I tried to give the Atal mocks provided on the CET
Sure.
website. So those also helped me a lot with the exam. I also tried to give sectional test of B Educare. So like after
Correct.
every lecture, I tried giving the test pack provided to us. So that really helped me with all the concepts getting cleared.
Sure. Okay, as you talked about time management when you were giving your mocks. So time is always a challenging factor for students. Like you have to, do questions within the time frame. So how exactly, if you have to tell our viewers, how exactly we can overcome the time challenge which we face during the exams?
So time management, so giving mocks actually helped me manage time well during the actual exam as well. So I had prioritized myself with giving the sections which were difficult for me first, the time consuming ones first, and then in order of the others. So started giving the English section first because that being the section which has the most number of questions.
Sure.
So completed that with GK, legal, and LR. So I have enough time for each section during the entire duration of the exam. And also, so you have to be very consistent and you have to keep a mark or a mark on what you've been giving and what you want to review later. So because there might be some questions you might not be able to answer or understand at that moment, but once you finish the entire paper, you can review those back. So it's necessary for you to not consume a lot of time on a question which you don't know. So then you don't lose up on the other sections and other questions.
Sure, sure. That's quite a deep insight from your end, I must say, Tanya. Now, if I have to ask you, the resources provided by Be Educare, like the books, the test portals, did you find it satisfactory while going for your exam? That, okay, I have completed all the syllabus and, the resources provided were, sufficient to crack the exams. You felt that way?
They were very much sufficient. They were very concise, I must say. So, joining late, I didn't have, a lot of resources to refer, and I didn't want to put myself through lot of notes and resources. So, given the books we were provided by Be Educare, they were of much help and the only resources I went through. I also went through legal books of AP Bharadwaj. So that helped me really well with my legal section.
Sure. श्योर नाउ जैसे हमारे अपकमिंग एस्पायरेंट्स जो है ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं सो इफ आई हैव टू टेल यू जस्ट गिव थ्री टिप्स टॉप थ्री टिप्स टू देम टू क्रैक द सीईटी व्हाट वुड बी दैट
I would just say my first tip would be start early. Don't make a mistake of starting late as I did, because as early as you start, you will have a lot of time to go through each section, give time to each section and understand each concept well. Also, start giving mocks as soon as you start studying. Don't wait till the end. So you get a comprehensive practice of the actual exam. And also stay consistent, make a study plan, stick to it so you don't get so you're motivated mostly during the entire prep time.
okay how was the environment in the class if I have to ask you was it
The
stressful or was
environment
it
was
jolly
No, the environment was very jolly. I had a lot of fun. So I had Parth sir.
sure
He was a very good mentor to me. He has helped me throughout my examination time. He's provided very good tips to me, and so this being a crash course, he has covered literally every single grammar topic for me as well. Again, in the crash course, because that being like the foundation for me. For English, but so he has covered everything again for me in the whole duration. He's also given a lot of good tricks for how to attempt the paper and how to allocate your time and what not to do in the given time I had. So then I don't get distracted. I allocate my time to proper sections and the resources I can follow and study well.
okay that's great to hear I'll definitely pass on the appreciation to Parth sir
Yeah.
okay
Truly, it wouldn't have been achievable without him. So
incredible
yeah.
incredible Okay. Now, Tanya, the process, if I have to, just end up this interview and I have to ask you in brief, how would you describe Be Educare's journey, your journey with Be Educare?
Be Educate's journey was short but very motivational and very helpful. So if I wouldn't have joined Be Educare in the last months, I wouldn't have been able to, crack the MHCET exam by myself, because this exam also needs guidance, support. which was given very well by Be Educare. And having mentors like Parth sir, Kundan sir has really helped me crack the exam well and clearing my doubts, everything. They were always available whenever we needed them.
Sure. Okay. So we at Be Educare wish you all the best and good luck for your future endeavors. May you get best college and may you enjoy the process of college and come out flying colors over there also. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.